1,100 pounds. Could you imagine if that thing's weighing past you?
Yeah, beautiful looking though right there, I'll tell you that. And it's good to see everyone doing good things for the most valuable resource here, our water in Sarasota Bay. You know, that's always nice to see. There is red tide, as we saw earlier, but it's sporadic out there. It's not everywhere. It's patchy at best. And as far as the viewer photos go, this one from yesterday, Cliff Rolls sending this one in. That's a beautiful shot there, looking out over Sarasota Bay, that beautiful resource. And this looking at a big towering cumulonimbus cloud. Mainly inland storms have been the case. Suzanne Hay getting that shot. Appreciate that. And Casey Key webcam showing calm conditions out there, flat, calm seas. And it looks like it'll stay that way, too, through the weekend. There's a big storms that were around earlier have shifted to the east with that persistent west flow that we've seen around that area of high pressure. And with this trough located to the north of us in a weak frontal boundary, it's kind of keeping that high right over the top of us. We'll shift a little bit on Sunday, bring us maybe a little bit better chance to see some late afternoon and evening thunderstorms on Sunday. But it's not going to be a washout, so no worries, Dads. We're going to be okay as far as that goes. Some showers out there in the Gulf have been trying to work their way on shore. We could see some development later on as the land breeze starts to develop, say around 9, 10 o'clock. And once in a while, we get a little kick up of a shower or two. We're seeing that right now near Siesta Key and east and southeast of Interstate 75. You can see a little bit on Lido now, South Longboat, getting some light rainfall, but nothing heavy at this time. We'll keep a chance for a few scattered showers through the evening, but most areas should stay relatively dry. This one near Bethany, heading in your direction, a little bit more vertical extent to that storm, but no lightning generated quite yet. Boy, some big storms earlier in East Sarasota County, up to 2 inches of rainfall there. That's the pattern it's been lately. Our typical afternoon and evening thunderstorm pattern for the summer brings the storms from central Florida back to the west coast, but that's not happened as a result of the high pressure ridge, and you've heard me talk about that for the past 7 days, really. And now what's going on in the tropics? Yesterday we were watching an area here, too much shear going on, and now the Hurricane Center is focusing their attention here off the Yucatan Peninsula. Big storms there developing, nothing organized at this point, and the Hurricane Center only gives it a 10% chance of developing. Yesterday that yellow box or yellow circle there was right here, and now it's shifted off to the east and a little bit toward more Texas and Houston over the upcoming 5 days. So we'll see how it plays out. It does not appear to be a factor for us, as high pressure will block anything from entering into our weather picture and spoiling our weekend or the week beyond for that matter. You can see from the Futurecast a few showers are possible, and then tomorrow afternoon we start off with a few isolated showers as that sea breeze gets going, and then most of it pushes inland. And then a pretty nice evening on Saturday. Sunday we start off pretty nice. If you have a early tea time, should be okay. Isolated shower possible, but then by midday on Sunday it pushes off to the east again, but there's a chance some of that could work its way back toward the coast. As far as temperatures go right now, into the mid-80s, 87 in Bradenton now, 82 in Inglewood, and 85 in Northport. Current conditions, we have 86, and the dew point temperature at 73. Lots of sunshine out there. As far as boaters go, seas will be running less than 2 feet. Smooth conditions both on Saturday and on Sunday, so looking good out there on the waters. And as far as the water temperature goes, it really warmed up. It's up to 86 degrees now. As far as the 7-day forecast, 40% chance for scattered storms tomorrow. A 50% chance on Father's Day, but as I said, it'll be scattered mainly in the afternoon and evening. And then Monday, 40%. We drop down a little bit for the rest of the work week next week as a result of some drier air settling in. It will be warm, though, so if you're going to be outdoors, plenty of water. Back to you.